Most people wait to feel motivated before they act. And that's the trap. Motivation feels powerful when it shows up, but it's unpredictable. Some days you wake up ready to go. Other days, everything feels heavy. If your progress depends on motivation, your progress will always be unstable. The people who move forward consistently aren't more motivated. They're just less dependent on it. Motivation fades for a simple reason. Your brain is designed to conserve energy. When something feels difficult, uncertain, or uncomfortable, your mind looks for easier options. Scroll instead of start, delay instead of decide. That doesn't mean you're weak. It means your brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do. Discipline starts when you stop negotiating with that feeling. The easiest way to stay disciplined when motivation is gone is to lower the starting point. Don't commit to the full workout, commit to 5 minutes. Don't promise to finish the project, promise to open the file. Don't aim for perfect effort, aim for movement. Because once you start, continuing is easier than beginning. Discipline becomes easier when decisions disappear. The night before, decide what tomorrow begins with. Lay out your clothes, prepare your workspace, write the first task. When morning comes, there's nothing to debate. You simply continue. Fewer decisions mean less resistance. The days when motivation is gone are the days that build discipline. Anyone can act when they feel inspired. Real progress happens when you show up without the feeling. One small action, one promise kept. And over time, something powerful happens. You start trusting yourself. If you're choosing discipline over motivation, comment "no excuses" and watch the full series. Next, we'll talk about something even more dangerous than procrastination: quiet self-sabotage.